But have you met an irresponsible man before? I want to tell you that, ladies, men give in different forms, but we only feel that it is when a man gives you in cash or buy you gifts. That's when men give. That's how we understand giving, right? Many hardworking men out there, they have been giving us different things, but we do not understand. Most times we feel it's your responsibility. Okay, it is a responsibility. But have you met an irresponsible man before? If you haven't met an irresponsible man, then if you have a responsible man, you wouldn't know what God has done for you. You will not know that it is a blessing that God has given you. Having a man that comes home every day, you know, providing for you and your family, you and your kids, giving you everything, giving you his commitment, that man has given you something. Being committed to you and your kids, knowing that you guys are supposed to eat, providing things, the basic needs of the family, you know, you will not understand those who have irresponsible husbands are going through. A man who supports your dream as a woman, a man not afraid of you being successful more than him, and he's showing you support in anything you do. He has given you money to start business, that your business. He supports you in your career, in your job, whatever you're doing. That man has given you what some men cannot give. You see, sometimes we underrate these things and we look at it that a man must buy me gifts, buy me car, must buy me good clothes, all those stuff. But that's not it. Men gives in different ways, but we women, we do not take time to, appreciate these men enough. If you have a responsible husband that goes out every morning, comes back, still look at you in the face, still want to be with you as his wife, you know, still cherish you, loves you, that man has given you everything that he has. Not be carried away by social media. Now, men, I'm not saying you should not buy your wife gifts, but women, if you know that your husband do not compare your husband with others. Stay on what your husband can afford, right?